I'm a volunteer coordinator for the Lions Pantry, and we are hosting an open house just to bring in some faculty, administrators, and staff to see the Lions Pantry facility and then kind of speak to some of the exec board members about what we do and how the year has been going. So we're actually a student club, completely student run. The facility part is where students can come and get the food and resources that they need. All they need is a student ID, and no questions are asked, and they can take as much food as they want.
We only serve non-perishable food items in addition to household items such as pasta, cereal, oatmeal, canned vegetables, canned beans, canned meats, teas, coffee, sugar, and we have household products like shampoo, body lotion, bar soap, laundry detergent, dish detergent, paper, towels, and tissue paper.
So around the nation, about 48% of students are food insecure, meaning they can't get the food that they want. They may have access to food, but it may be of low quality or it may not be healthy enough for them. So basically we're here for Penn State students to lower that 48%. Penn State University as a whole is at 45%, so we're about at the national average, and we're hoping to lower that in the coming years.
So I think that's part of where the pantry comes in, is being able to give people the food that they need in a variety of ways, and just making sure that everybody has access to food if they're hungry.